When we get the job I went to by White and Pool. Yeah. I mean they work there. They do engineer for a machine there.
One of them capstan machines.
Yeah, the capstan machine, you know the business. And when time me they do the dinner time, I thought they work the 3-4 weeks. Them take on a white boy there. And then park the lorry in the doorway. So the foreman ride a motorbike and him at the motorbike there so. Me come out the dinner time now. And me sit down for one teacher's right at the doorway there so. Eat me sandwich. The white boy go down the road at the chip shop. And him buy him fish and chips and him come and him climb up on the lorry and he sit down up there. And he eat him fish and chips. When he eat it, done, the foreman sit down on the motorbike there so now. And he eat done. He rub up the chip shop the fish and chip paper so. And I sit down on the teacher standing dashing on my face so.
How tall are you?
And the foreman sit down there so and see it now. And when I look on him so, I look on him so, I say, that time, I just come from Jamaica today about, what, 3-4 years. Me hot. And he said to him, why you do that for me, man? He said, why you do that for? I said, come down and file Larry now. The foreman look at me and say, you're sacked.
A lie? Because you tell him to come down and file Larry?
Me tell him to come down because the foreman know what me going to do with him.
Yeah. And him sack you?
Him sack me. So
but you never do nothing that's not fair.
Go and get
if you did give him some lick now and then after then you say yeah.
Yeah, go and get your things up the road. Yeah.
That's not good.
I'm going to get my bag through on my shoulder and I go up the road.
Remember, no, this was in the 60s, so things like that would be a regular thing.
A regular something.
Yeah. Me never know.
Yeah, man, in the 60s that would be regular.
A regular something that man. Me live on Blake now. And when me live on Blake now, I go in a town. Sometimes I drive, you know, that don't carry. Then I got license. And I had walk down the dirty road and go to town. White man over the other side of the road. Oh, you blocky, darky, nigga. So I look on him, so I say, what you say, guy? And I step in the road, so. And by the time I step in the road, so. He look around and he see one going to off the door and gone. Run gone. Hey. Out of the Fanny Wellington Road. And the man called me and said something to me. So I say, you see? I say, no, I can't keep sitting here.
Yeah.
I say, we pay in the 60s.
Yeah, later, I take care, yeah?
Yeah. You think you no could have in about to not preach about anything about black people? Yeah? The white man tear off the door and come in here and everybody out.
Yeah.
And I saw you when I go. Now we got easy and we clean up England for them. Everybody can walk up on the street. You can walk by, you go on the street, go anywhere. Walk by, you go to Birmingham now. Walk by Wolverhampton now.
And you couldn't do it in the 60s?
In the 60s, do what?
After 9 o'clock, you couldn't come out of your yard. 9 o'clock at night, you can't come
You couldn't come out of your yard after 9 o'clock?
After 9 o'clock, man, you have it.
You can't come out. You get
My friend live at Arrow Street where them just kill one guy down there with Marines.
That sound like bandage.
Yeah. And me and my friend used to live the Arrow Street. And me go down at my friend yard because the company me and him go to the same school at Jamaica. And me do sex. Yeah. And we usually go down there, meet up down there at night and play dummy, little dummy now. We don't know where to do, we don't got no entertainment. We sit down there, we play little dummy till half 11, 12 o'clock. Night time. Me live on Villiers Street. And me they walk one down there come up. Yeah? And me have to dodge. If you see a police car, once one car come up, and the night there. You look so. And you look. And if it's a police car, you have to dodge. The policeman come and he stamp on your foot so.
Achoo?
After you push him off, you push him off, he do your assault.
And not him first come stand up on your
When you go
foot?
to police station and beat you up, you know. Tell you. Beat you up.
Me tell the woman in the place where the windrush sitting. Me say if you go to Birmingham Road police station and you looking at the book up there, I see how much page in the car name there. Yeah? And what they charge me for? Nothing or assaulting the police. Yeah? And that was in the 60s and 70s. And it was a joke, and a joke thing. Yeah? You go down the road there, the white man that come, you see two of them. They want to fight you. One of them will pass you. But three of them.
Three of them want to fight.
Fight off it one.
For 5, 6 of them.
Eh? But what they want to fight you for?
Because I will put them on you one.
You're black.
Oh Lord.
You're black man, so they want.
That sound like bandage man back in them times. The old people, why people never go back home? Why them stay and put up with that?
I would say it was because of finance, really.
Yeah, we come here with nothing. And we come here come look it.
Yeah. Come here, come look life.
Yeah.
But I tell you something, you know, things change, you know, because look, them times you used to get lots of Jamaican. Have you noticed that many Jamaicans around these days? You know what I mean? There ain't a lot of Jamaican around these days, you know.
I just go on the tram up the town.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I walk through Manda Center.
Yeah.
And go down on Worcester Street.
Yeah.
And I see one girl down there. And I said to her, I said, Jesus Christ, me never see. I said, for me, come a Wolverhampton, come a England. The Wolverhampton change come.
Yeah. Not just Wolverhampton, all over.
Where the market there.
Yeah.
And where the other market was.
Yeah.
And that's so they went there.
Yeah.
Up where Civic Hall there. Yeah. Up there so the market was when I come here in the 60s.
Take your time. Well, means like from Warsland, it changed completely.
Look at the Warsaw.
Yeah.
Warsaw change.
Changed completely.
Yeah. Wolverhampton change.
Billston change. And I sat there, right? You could
everywhere
go Warsaw
change.
When it's busy. And you look around and you couldn't see not even one black somebody. In the 60s, not even one. And we was like, a lot of us, you know, but we never come out at certain time or certain days.
Really?
Yeah. And now, things different. And you now find not many Jamaican them like disappeared. But you see, two things why Jamaican disappear, right? You see, Jamaican, they will go with anybody, right? And a lot of them going with white people. So the kids them is like mixed race. Then you get a lot of the older people them is dying off. So we're not being replaced. Indians, they only go with Indians. Africans, the majority of them only goes with African.
Yeah, man.
But we Jamaican,
and them no
we go with anybody.
Any race,
Any race. I mean, I've got 5 mixed race kids myself. You know what I mean?
I've got 5 years old.
You know what I mean?
How much you have?
6 and 3, 9.
9 mixed race children?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it because there were no black people, or is it just your choice?
I remember once when you go out at night, there was not that many black women. You might get the other one, and some of them faced it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Them faced it. And you see all the poor white girls, and it was like easy. You know what I mean? Them entertain themselves, and things was easy, and you know. We don't look upon people that's been black or white or whatever.
Yeah, just if the person is a nice person.
Yeah, just take what we can. And I remember them times that, you know, the white girls them buy you things, look after you. Black girls them used to be face the man. I don't know if you did see that too.
Me did my first daughter was with a black girl. And her mother never liked me.
Yeah.
So then take her and carry her go rugby, go find one boy.
Yeah.
And marry them up. And buy a house up a Rolling Regis and give them. My little daughter was only 5. The boy what them go find, come married and buy house give them up a Rolly Reedy. That I made that about 5 coming 6. Got my phone number. That I made the same place where I live here now. Yeah. And she phoned me. I said, Dad, I said, what happened? That time I just come back from work, man, I drive lorry. Yeah. And I just come back from work. And he said, Dad, Herbie trying to mess about with me. I say, you do what? I say, you do what, girl? And I jump in and I cover and I grab my machete and I jump in and I car up the Birmingham Road. Every brass traffic light, I broke them up the traffic road. And when I turn up Rowley Register at it, and when you look out at the window, I see me pull up outside the gate. Yeah? And I draw my machete so I run to the door. When the door open, and when I look, I see my jump the fence them down the back garden. Like a horse I jump hurdle. Yeah? And he get up and he go to a store. And I put the woman, she went got 150 for him. He live over by Holy Road, you know. Yeah? And my daughter, John, she was living on a straight lane. She had 2 kids, 2 girls. And she married. And then she dead. She had cancer. And she dead. Yeah, the 2 girls still live over there and them daddy. Yeah. The girl have 1 more daughter for me, Jade. She come last week, she come a yard for me. They have here 2 boys then. Yeah.
Yeah man, it sound like England was a Ellen Powder house as Boy, we have to take our hats off to these people who really hold the fort for us.
And what we are saying, not you want some people tell you what some things what them good.
We
hold the fort, man.
Up England, so where everybody can come out and you can come and sit down there so.
Yeah, we don't pave the way.
Because in the 60s, we couldn't get shop here so, and we could. The white man look out the window, them, hey.
Boy, I never know so bad it was.
Yeah, man. You saw Teddy Boy them call them, innit?
Yeah, Teddy Boy,
them call.
Who then call them? The police them named Teddy Boy?
The guys, the white boy, them used to be Teddy Boy.
Fight we are.
Is it?
Teddy Boys are Hell's Angel.
If it's one of them, you're alright. If it's 3 of them, you have had it. You run.
Yeah.
Or if you want to turn up and fight,
right.
you fight, turn up and fight. But if you lick down 1 of them and he drop a gun, and you drive 2 kick in him, the other 2 run.
Yeah.
Okay.
Them used to wear them boots,
yeah.
and them used to have a thing called pocket bashing.
Yeah.
And them used to go around beating up the Pakistani them.
And knuckle duster, then you lick you all in your jaw and bust your jaw.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, man.
And you not do them nothing?
Well, the police
you have to do them anything because you're black and you're in them country.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, that was the norms. That was the norms. That was the norms.
Terrible, man. Terrible.
Well, this is news to me. I didn't realize how bad it was here in the UK.
You're walking to a pub and them call you a black bastard. Nobody don't even look around.
Look around?
Nobody don't even look around them call you a black bastard. You know what I mean? Going to a pub and all you do is just turn back and come out.
You got 2 pub at town. The George and Madame Clark. Yeah? And with them 2, the black people could have worked. Black man could have worked.
Eh?
And the George.
True?
Yeah.
If you go in any other club, then fight them.
You don't have any other pub before you walk in at the door.
You turn back out, you don't know that them don't want you there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You go there and you don't know that you don't want you there and you just
turn back. Just reverse.
Just reverse. You drop in a reverse.
A lot of people wouldn't venture there anyway because you know that you're not welcome. You know you're not welcome. Then after that, the Indian man them start off pubs.
Yeah.
So we have somewhere to go.
Yeah.
Because Indians start off in pubs for black people first, you know.
Okay.
Because
them see a way of making money.
Make them can't have anything in here when them come here.
Okay.
And we fight the white man, them help you fight the white man.
The Indian have them pubs and we go and waste for money in them.
That's why I wonder how so many Indian shops they bought, you know?
Because them invest
And we just entertain.
Yeah, we entertain.
But we got money, we want to go and spend our money. Indian man, Mr. Indian man have shop and him wear the same trousers for years.
So the judge
for years. Slim ready and go buy himself a big Mercedes.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But them work hard enough, you know, you can't grudge them for it.
Yeah.
Them work for it.
They work a poor class from India, they work a poor class.
Yeah, man, things was certainly bad here. Very bad, very bad.
Wouldn't let me in.
1963?
Yeah. They wouldn't let me
14-year-old, you go forget in a college and them not take you?
They wouldn't let me in as a parent. But I'm going, I do also. Paget Road.
Yeah. True.
Yeah. Them say your parents have money. Me say no. Me say my parents are not too long come here. My father come here 1950 somewhat. Yeah. My mother come here 1960. Me come here 63. Yeah. Me say we don't got no heap of money. Me say you can't sign on it. You can't sign you in here.
Wow.
And they say me if you go sign on a Red Hill Street. That up Waterloo Road.
Yeah.
Be the supermarket, you know. Up there was Red Cross Street.
Oh.
Up at the top of it, there's like the little door office. You go sign on up there. £3, 1 shilling or 6 pence a week. Yeah, £3, 1 shilling and 6 pence a week.
That time enough money that in them time there.
And then we go to find me a little job. A white TJ Cook on Raby Street. The polishing. Then do them do work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Serious things. No joke. These people went through hell and powder house to pave the way for us. So hats off to all the people that who come here and hold the fort. So that subsequent people from all walks of life can come here and enjoy a reasonable quality of life. That's how the thing set.